friends, welcome to TechCat, and today we learn how to change a password on computer. Because we all know if we not set the password on our computer or laptop, then there is no security of computer. And anyone can use the computer and also can misuse your data, so it's mandatory to set password of computer. So today we learn how to set password on computer or laptop. Firstly, you have to open the control panel. Okay. Then you can see here is the option user accounts. Click on that. And then go to change account type. Okay. You can see here is my current account HP. I click on that. Okay. You can see here are multiple options. Change the account name. If you want to change the account name, you can click on that. Then change the password. And then the third option is change the account type. You can change the type of the account. You can change it's a standard account or you can change it's a administrator account. Okay. Then we want to change the password, then click on change the password option. You can see here is the option current password. I fill my current password. Okay. Then I fill the password which I want to change. I give the new password. Then again retype the new password. Okay. Then you can see here is the option if the password contains capital letters, they must be typed the same way every time. Then here is I type the hint of my password. Okay. I type the hint. Then click on change password. Okay friends, my password is changed. Now we will see it works or not. Then I set my PC as sleep. Okay. So friends, I hope you learn how to change the password on computer or PC or laptop. If you like this video, then share this video and also subscribe my channel TechCat. And don't forget to press the bell icon for the more notifications of the video. Thank you.